Hello, this is RSOpedia from Robotics Student Organization. We are participating this year on behalf of Helwan University Faculty of Engineering. We are here again after learning from our past mistakes in the previous versions of Minesweepers, and we believe we are here to win. Now for our control system, we're going to be using an Arduino Mega as our main controller connected to the VAR components like the relay and the motor driver. And an Arduino Uno connected to our sensors like the IMU and encoder for the mapping process, and proximity sensor and metal detector for the mine detection process, where the metal detector is going to send a signal to the siren saying that we have a mine there, and then the proximity sensor is going to decide if it's a surface or buried mine. And then all of the data from the sensors are going to be sent to our mini PC using raw serial, which is going to send it after that through MQTT to our outside driving station, so we can be able to monitor our mapping process and add our edits. And by the end of the map, we're going to have an automated map made by RViz package. So now for our power systems, we're going to be using 3 batteries. Each one of them is going to be 12 volts. We're trying to get the most modular system we can have, so we can protect all of our components. The first battery is going to be connected to the motors and giving them power. The second battery is going to be connected to the mini PC, which is going to be our central processing unit, where we are going to mount TROS and start our mapping process. The third battery is going to be for the electronics, like the proximity sensor, the metal detector, the IMU and encoders, and the sirens. So now let's get to our mechanical design, which is relying on a body of metal on 4 wheels, so we can stay stable at all times and be able to face the environment we're going to be in. We added an encoder in the rear view of our robot, so we can count all our turns and start on the mapping process. Our encoder is going to be mounted on an omni wheel connected to an elastic band to keep it at the ground at all times. So now for our gripping and collection of the mines mechanism, we relied on a very simple system consisting of a robotic arm made out of aluminium rods with 1 degree of freedom, and a control system only having 3 components, which are an encoder, a DC motor, and a wire to connect all of those, so we can get our arm up and down. At the end of our arm, there is going to be an electromagnetic suction. We're trying to make it as automated as possible,